Yo, what's up guys? So in this video we're going to talk about how to make a text-based design that sells on any print-on-demand platform. Now, don't overthink this, right? Even that's a t-shirt design, right? So what is print-on-demand, right? So print-on-demand is basically you create a design, create something that someone wants, and you put it on a product. When that product sells, that platform ships it off for you. They take care of pretty much the shipping. Okay, for the most part, the customer service, and you don't even touch the product at all. There's no stock, no inventory. Freaking crazy. Now you're thinking like, okay, I have to be like a really awesome illustrator, or I have to be a really good painter, or I have to be an artist, something like that, right? To make a lot of money on these platforms. And the answer is no, you don't. You don't. All right, so creating designs, right? You can use your phone. There's this one app called the Over app. I've created a few videos on that. I'll put the link up here. You check that out. It's really that simple. Other than that, you can use Canva. You can use Merch Informer, right? These ones are all pretty much all web-based. You can Photoshop, whatever the heck you use, GIMP, right? Any of these softwares all work, right, for text-based designs. But the goal is to create text-based designs that sell, right? And these are all tools that can help you create these text-based designs, right? Now, like with a lot of people like to be on their phone, using their phone a lot, and sitting on the toilet, right? You can sit on the, I know I sit on the toilet and look at my phones a lot, and sometimes you come up with the best ideas on there. So there's no other better way than to create a design on the Over app by using that, right? And I'm not no affiliate at all with them, but it's so simple, so easy to create a design, right? So that's really cool. And just jot down your ideas on your phone. If you come up with an idea, you can use Evernote. Just put ideas and come up with certain text-based design ideas, right? Because there's a lot of the ideas that you come up with, you can make sales with. Believe it or not, funny jokes, funny sayings. Of course, you have to double check and make sure they're not trademarked, but it's literally that simple. Simple designs, they do sell. They sell a lot. So using Google, for example, like let's say you're in the English bulldog niche, right? The dog niche, right? And you want to see if there's any funny sayings in that niche for the English bulldog. So literally just to search away on Google to kind of think of ideas and figure out what rhymes with English bulldog, right? Or what funny sayings there are. And you can even use just the Amazon.com, Etsy, Redbubble, all these other print-on-demand websites, these websites to figure out ideas and do research yourself. But starting off with Google is probably one of the easiest ways to do it. Now, there's this one cool website called Rhymezone.com, and I'll put a link to the description down below. You can put like a single word in there, right? And then it'll help you come up with different types of rhymes for your words, right, in your niche. And that's really cool because literally that's how it starts. It's how it starts. You can literally make money off of funny sayings. People love these type of things, right? Sarcasm is a big niche too as well. You can make a sarcasm t-shirt, like a funny saying, and you're being sarcastic, right? It's big, right? And there's a lot of money to be made in that niche. It's a huge niche to make money on, right? And then going on to different platforms, going on to Amazon.com, Etsy.com, Redbubble, and then using the search bar, right? This is one of the free methods to see what people are searching for, right? So if you type in a phrase, right? So English bulldog, and then it will generate a bunch of long tail keywords. And sometimes those long tail keywords are new design ideas, right? And that's big right there, because sometimes you'll find a new long tail keyword that will turn into a design, and that design will end up making you a ton of money. And sometimes when you go in there, there's no competition. There's no competition in that niche. You'll see the result right underneath the search bar. It'll say results 22, results 100, results 0 sometimes. And when you find that 0, that's when you start designing for that niche, because there's no competition, right? And of course, you're kind of taking a guess if you're using it that way. But if you use like other tools like Helium 10 to figure out, okay, is there a search volume or there's using keywords anywhere, or just using Google to see if there's some type of search people are searching for. This is a topic people are looking for. You can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, just to see if someone's searching for this phrase or something, right? And is it a popular phrase? And most likely, if it's a popular phrase, people are using it, and it's something new, it will make sales on a t-shirt. Now let's get into the computer. Let me show you guys a few examples of designs that are doing really well that are text-based. All right, guys. So over here on Amazon.com, here is one. I have plans in the garage, right? It says car mechanic, right? You can. So this is the person. This is directed towards a car mechanic, a guy, a man. Well, I guess a woman can wear this shirt too as well. But this right here, a simple text-based design, right? And this is a perfect example. Nothing too crazy, right? But it seems like they understand this niche. And for some reason, it's doing really well right now, right? And of course, you do your research and you're understanding what's going on in your niche. You can make a ton of money. And here's the BSR chart to back it up. Okay, check this out. Crushing it, right? Consistency. Some consistency here. Just doing really good over. And look at that. What's the BSR right now? 3,900. Crush. 163 ratings. Crazy. All right. So next one. Right here. It be like that sometimes, right? So exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Stuff like this. It crushes. Simple. Right, and of course, you know, you can do some little bit of colors on it, right, to make it pop a little bit more. It's a sticker. This is a sticker on Redbubble. It's freaking doing really good. Awesome. Let's go over here. Let's see the shop. So the shop right here, you can see the Redbubble shop, but look at simple text-based designs. There's one with some eyelashes in it. 167K favorites, over 1,200 followers. They're doing something over here, right? Over here on Etsy, I became a teacher for the money and fame. Said no teacher ever, right? Come over here. Five people added it to cart, and we got some reviews in here. So this shirt's been selling, right? Simple, simple text-based design. Right. Of course, you can see they kind of understand the layout and all that little fun stuff of a design. So simple. It's just a text base. Easy. Right. Now, our next one that's been going crazy right now. I finally figured out why it was, right? So BBQ beer freedom, right? That one, it's crushing it right now. #1 bestseller. Now there's, of course, with this one, it's a little bit of stars in here, but like anybody can do this. Simple, real simple, nothing too crazy, right? That's the point I'm trying to get at. Nothing too crazy. And I'm like, what if you're trying to figure out what the heck, why is this one taking off? So we'll search right now on Google, but look at it, all time, right? #1 bestseller right now, but it was uploaded down here May 2019. Okay. But the BSR is at 2,600. Crazy. It's freaking killing it. Right? And just look at it. I'm not even sure how many of these are selling a day. Maybe 100, maybe 200. It's crazy. Yeah. See the potential in that? Let's search what the heck's going on right here. It's a video, right? If you guys haven't seen this video, go watch it. It's crazy. Some guy right here is wearing the shirt, right? And then that one, him going, I'm not sure exactly what he did, but it's a video. It's on the internet. You can find it if you search it. But him wearing that shirt in this video has made the shirt go viral on Amazon.com. Hopefully, you guys enjoy this video. Any questions, feel free to comment down below and check out my other videos. Peace.